Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T50 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll and find the option Wallpaper. Then we can choose the wallpaper from following albums from our Google Photos, Wallpaper and Style and Wallpapers. Basically those are the same. I'll show you. Let me choose Wallpapers and Style. We will be transferred to this section where we can tap on Change Wallpaper, and we will be transferred to on-device wallpapers, so those which are pre-installed. As you can see, we've got only this option and wallpapers again, so we can tap on wallpapers, and here we've got more options, and this is the exact section which we will enter if we will choose the second option in the previous menu. So let me just show it to you. Here we've got wallpapers, and after tapping on it we'll be transferred to this section. So this is how it works. You can do it using the longer way or simply tap on wallpapers. So right here we've got the pre-installed options, and all you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper to show it on the full screen and check whether you like it or not. I'm not really sure which one I should pick, so let me just choose this one. Let me tap on it. You can tap, let's say, inside, right in the middle of the screen to check the preview, so the available options will be hidden. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper in the left corner, kind of. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.